Hello viewers, today I'm going to show how to import data from Excel to Tally Prime. Let us start. We can go to Import, Manage, Sample Excel file, and you can choose Master. In Master, export sample file name and where you are going to export it, and folder path and everything. If you want to make any correction in that, you click the configurations. You can make the correction what you require. Once you satisfied all these things, you can export it. If it is already there, you can override the file. Yes. So once we exported, you can open the Excel sheet. In Excel, we have multiple sheets are there. First, we go to ledger sheet. You can create all the ledgers what you want. Example, I create capital account. This is capital account. Then purchase account. Then sales account. Then wage, direct expenses. So once you satisfied all these things, you can save this template. Now how to import the data? You can go to import, you can choose master, Excel spreadsheet, file name, then import file sheet name, default template, type of master, all these things. If there is any spelling mistake in the group, so it may corrected your group, you can accept the group that you want to save. Maybe the spelling mistake is a problem for you. So don't worry, it will be corrected. So now you can see all the ledgers has been imported from MS Excel.